Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I've got an Invicta watch to go over. Um, just received it today, so I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go over it with you guys. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you to all my current subscribers. You guys are great. I'm up to 275 subscribers right now, and I could not have done this without you. So I really do appreciate everything. I appreciate all the likes and the comments and all the support you guys give. You guys make this channel work, and I'm growing this channel from the ground up, and I really do appreciate everything. So if you haven't already subscribed, please consider hitting that like and subscribe. Thumbs up really does a lot for the channel, and the subscribe really does a lot as well. So this is an Invicta watch. I just purchased this watch on Amazon, and I will be posting a link to this in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you guys decide you want to buy one, I'd appreciate it if you click on that affiliate link and head on over to Amazon and pick one of these guys up. So without further ado, let's get into it. It is an Invicta watch, and it's a sports watch, and it's not as crazy as some of the other designs. Where's that other Invicta that I have here that's kind of crazy? If you know anything about Invicta watches, you know they can get really gaudy and crazy. Like this one right here, I actually like it a lot, but it's a heavy watch and it's very thick. This one's not as crazy, if you know what I'm saying. This one's kind of over the top. This watch, when you have it on your arm, you know you have it on your arm. I mean, you could drive a nail into a piece of wood with this watch. It's heavy. This is a bulky watch, but it is a nice watch. I do like it. Just when you do wear it, it is a heavy watch. So you end up, you know. You know it's on your arm when you have this one on your arm. This one, on the other hand, not so much. This one is a lighter watch, and it's a thinner watch. And this also, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to let you guys know about a contest that I have going where you can actually, I'm going to give away one of those watches, the Rolex Submariner Homage. But anyway, this watch right here, it has the silicone strap for the band, and it's got the red and black face. It is kind of a sharp looking watch. I will admit that. Really nice looking watch. Smooth, quiet, great watch. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but like I said, it's not crazy weight like this one is. It's got that brushed titanium look to it. It's a good quality watch, and it feels good on the wrist. So when you put it on, it's not too bulky, and it's a nice quality watch. It's a good watch. And Invicta quality, you can't go wrong with it. And I think this watch somewhere in the neighborhood of 35 or 40 bucks on Amazon right now, so you really can't go wrong with that price point either. It is a beautiful watch, especially for the price. But Invicta watches, they kind of run the gamut. They're either, they can go from $30 all the way up to $200, $200 depending on the watch that you're getting. Some of them are even more expensive than that, but this one's one of the fairly budget-friendly watches in the line, and I thought it looked really sharp. The only thing to me was the colors looked a little bit more vibrant in the listing, so the red looked a lot sharper than it does in person. But all in all, it's still a really nice looking watch, and you can't complain for the price. It's got a really nice strap on it with the name, embossed in it. It's a good looking watch. It's even got the logo on the buckle. So it's nice. It's a great watch, especially for the price. And like I said, I'm going to post a link to this in the description below, so you guys can actually head on over and pick one up. You can also click on the link to my website at themselves.To, and this watch will actually be posted there as well, along with all the other watches that I've reviewed, as well as some other watches that I have some interest in as well. Um, but anyway, like I said before, um, you'll want to stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a contest right now where I'm giving away a watch, and it's going to be this Rolex Submariner homage watch, which is a very nice watch. And I don't know if you've seen the video where I put this thing through a durability test, but you'll probably want to check that out. So click on my videos and check them out. But I put one of these through a very rigorous test for durability, and you'll have to see what happens to it on the video. Don't want to spoil it for you guys. But anyway, great looking watches. They're good quality for the price. I will be letting you know how to enter that contest at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But anyhow, this Invicta watch, really good watch for the money. Nice quality. It's Invicta. You can't go wrong with it. It's a great watch. So I will be posting a link to this in the description below, and it's also on my website. So without further ado, I'm going to send you guys over to see what you need to do to enter the contest to win this watch. So till next time, I'll see you in the next watch review video. I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with a contest. One lucky subscriber is going to win this watch. Stay tuned to figure out what you need to do to enter the contest. What I'm giving away is a Rolex Submariner homage watch made by the company Olevs. It is a very beautiful rendition of the Rolex Submariner. Very, very nice quality watch. And it will be shipped directly to one lucky subscriber. All you need to do to enter the contest is be a subscriber. So click that subscribe button right now, and then go into the comment section and post the words "nice watch" in all capital letters, NICEWATCH in all capital letters, and you will be entered to win this watch. All entries must be received by April 30th, 2024, and I must have 1,000 subscribers by then. 1,000 subscribers. If I do not have 1,000 subscribers, there will be no drawing for this watch. So make sure you share this video with as many people as you can, because if I can get up to 1,000 and you've subscribed to the channel and you've posted the comment "nice watch" in all capital letters in the comment section, you will be eligible for the drawing to win this watch, shipped directly to you from Amazon Prime. So once again, subscribe, like the video, subscribe, and post "nice watch" in all capital letters, and share this with as many people as you can to be eligible to win this watch. Till next time, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I believe you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And I'll see you in the next watch review video.